Here's a reminder of some of the things to look out for when discussing numbers in Gaelic. An toseach Àireamhan. Remember that with a noun, iga becomes da, the noun lenites, and it takes the singular. Da chu, da hui. To dog, to house. The lenition also runs through to the adjective if there is one. Da chu vik, da hui vod. Larger numbers also take the singular. Fichet cacht, lichet bate, kiet dunje, kiet mile falche. Measured amounts tend to stay in the singular, and that includes bliana when talking about age. So, shia bliana gúis, och bliana diag, trí bliana irichet. And in the teen numbers, the noun usually comes before diag, och báthichin diag. This is the word order we hear in dates. In Siahav lá diag gin Varsht, the 16th day of March. Nui Kiet diag, 1900. And Nui of Yin diag, the 19th century.